This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa.Murdock. Adorable, well-kept townhome near Chesapeake Bay on quiet cul-de-sac. Convenient, short distance to Chicks Beach restaurants, micro-brewery and entertainment. Located near beaches, Little Creek Base, Shore Drive and more. Open floor plan with roomy kitchen west/bar, living room, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, deck with private fenced backyard, great for summertime barbecuing. Fresh paint and new carpet. No smoking and no pets. Available now. For more information, review the details below.